Hey guys, what's up? It's NoyTebs here. So today we're going to do unboxing this food warmer. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so to be notified of any new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to unbox this. Nice, beautiful packaging. I think this is from China, if I'm not mistaken, or in Toronto. I just bought this one, guys, in Amazon, and so they have that. I think this is the rail. This is the bottom. This is the where the drawer. Okay, okay. So this is the hard part now. We need manpower to take this one out. Okay, so we're going to start the unwrapping. Okay, so again, it's perfect, guys. No crack, nothing. It's ta-da! There you go. Okay, so again, this is it. We don't have any issue, no cracking on the glass so far. Physical, nothing. And this is the handle where you're going to open the cage. There you go. And then that's the one that you're going to put your water. Here's the manual. And again, this one here where you're going to put your water. Okay. So again, guys, that's about it. And if you have any question, just let me know. And again, if you're not yet subscribing my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. This is NoyTebs blog. Thank you for watching.